fine. I am Krupali Patel and today we are going to continue with our second chapter of Standard 4, that is Reproduction in Plants. So students, in the last lecture we have studied about structure of seed and today we are going to study about germination. So let us see the process of germination. Okay. So what happens in germination that we are going to study? A seed contains a baby plant inside it. In the structure of seed we have seen the embryo. They are talking about the embryo. Inside the seed gets the right amount of air, warmth and water. It starts growing into a new plant. So there is a small seed. When the seed will get right amount of air, warmth and water. What is warmth? Means little bit of heat. So when the seed will get the right amount of air, warmth and water, it will start growing. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. So this whole process from which the seed will convert into a small plant is known as germination. So different steps are given for germination. That steps we are going to see one by one. So the first thing, what happens? The basic steps for germination are: number 1, the seed gets the right amount of air, water and warmth. Yes. Then secondly, water enters the seed through the hole present in the seed coat. In the structure of the seed, we have seen the seed coat contains a hole. From that hole, the water will enter inside the seed. The seed coat breaks open and the root for the new plant emerges. As the water enters into the seed, the first thing which starts growing is the roots. Okay. Then soon the shoot of the baby plant starts growing. First the root will start emerging. Then the second organ is the stem. That will start coming. Shoot is the stem. The stem will start coming out. Then food for the growth of the baby plant is provided by the seed leaves. In the seed structure we have seen about the seed leaves. The seed leaves stores the food for the plant. So at this point the food will be provided by the seed leaves. Okay. Then the plant grows in size and new leaves start developing. Now the leaves will start growing. Once the food stored in the food leaves finishes, the leaves start making food through the process of photosynthesis. The first organ coming out from the seed was root, then the shoot, then the leaves. At this point of time, the seed leaves will provide them food. As soon as the food in the seed leaves is completed or finished, then the leaves which are growing from the seed will start preparing their food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay, now what happens in the next step? The plant grows in size and new leaves start developing. Once the food stored in the seed leaves finishes, the leaves start making their own food by the process of photosynthesis. This we have seen. Okay, then what? A new plant keeps growing as long as it gets air, water, light and fertile soil. So what happens? Till this time, all the organs of the plant are being seen. Roots, shoots and leaves. After that, by using air, water, light and fertile soil, the whole plant will start growing. Okay, now Here is a photo or picture which shows the whole process of germination. Let us see the photo. This is the seed. Now at this point the seed is getting air, water and warmth. So as you can see, the first organ which is growing are the roots. Slowly the roots are developing. Then the shoot will come out. After the roots and shoots, you can see the leaves are coming out. Slowly you can see the size of the plant is increasing. So this is the different stages of germination. First the seed, then the roots will start coming, then the shoot, then the leaves, then the plant will start growing in size. Okay. Now I hope you understood the process of germination. Okay. Now after germination, the next topic which we are going to study is dispersal of seeds. Okay, now let us see dispersal of seeds. Have you ever wondered what would happen if all seeds of the plants fall near the parent plant? There will be less space and nutrients available for these seeds to grow. Hence, not all seeds will be able to grow into plants. So, whenever there is a plant, okay, pollination takes place. That we have seen. So, through pollination, what will happen? These plants will be grown at different places, not only at a single place. If a plant is growing at a single place, all the nutrients from the soil will be absorbed and only certain plants can grow. Not all the plants can grow properly. Okay. The process by which seeds are scattered away from the mother plant is called dispersal. Some fruits blast open when ripe to scatter their seeds. There are many ways by which seed gets dispersed. Okay, now we are seeing the dispersal process. What is the dispersal process? Whenever a fruit is being ripe, then some fruits will open. When they will open, what will happen? The seeds from that fruit will spread all around. Not under the plant, but it will spread all around. That thing is known as dispersal. So this dispersal, there are many ways by which seed gets dispersed. So there are different ways by which seed dispersal takes place. So number one is dispersal of seed by wind. So whenever the wind is blowing or flowing, it will take the seed along. So it will move from one place to another. So dispersal of seed by wind. Second is dispersal of seed by birds and animals. So birds and animals move from one place to another. So they also carry seeds. Okay. Then dispersal of seed by explosion. That we have seen. That whenever the fruit is closed and when the fruit will open, the seeds will move out. That is explosion. Then dispersal of seeds by water. So through water also the seed can move from one place to another. Okay. Now we are going to see a fact, that is, did you know? Giant cinchona tree are one of the tallest tree in the world which grows from seeds. Okay. Its seed remain buried in the soil for 20 years. During forest fire, the outer layer of the seed opens and the seed grows in barren soil. So this is the giant cinchona is the tallest tree and it is growing from a seed. When the seed will start growing during the forest fire, the outer layer of the seed will open, after which the tree will start growing. Okay. Now students, I hope you understood this much. Rest of the chapter we will continue in the next lecture. Till that, take care. Bye bye.